Now we discuss integral of a function. Integration is the antiderivative. That is, if a function f of x, capital F of x, is the derivative of small f of x. Derivative of small f of x is capital F of x. Then integral of this capital F of x. Integral of the capital F of x is small f of x. Integral of capital F of x dx equal to small f of x. Okay. Here integration with respect to x. We write derivative dy by dx, that means derivative of y with respect to x. Here integration with respect to x is represented as integral function dx. Here y is, that's dx. Okay. For example, we know that derivative of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Then what is the integral of minus sin x dx? That is cos x. Similarly, we have to find all the integrals that we by hearted as standard results. Now we discuss some standard results. Integral x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. And integral dx is, that is, first integral x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. So what is integral x raised to 7 dx? That is equal to x raised to 8 by 8 plus c. Why this constant is added to all this integral? Because if derivative of, what is the derivative of 5x? It is 5. What is the derivative of 5x plus 10? It is also 5. What is the derivative of 5x plus 100? It is also 5. So, if we take the integral of 5 dx, one can return the answer as 5x, other can return as 5x plus 100, other one can 5x plus 10. So 5x plus any constant is the answer of integral dx. So we write here all the constants. Okay. So integral x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. What is integral 1 dx? Constant into dx. Constant means 1 into x raised to 0. So the integral of x raised to 0 is x raised to 1 by 1, that is x plus c. Integral of e raised to x is e raised to x itself. What is the integral of 1 by x? 1 by x dx is, we know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x, so the integral of 1 by x is log x. Cos x, integral cos x is sin x and sin x is minus cos x. Sec square x is tan x and that cos sec square x is minus cot x. What is the integral of sec x tan x? It is sec x plus c. What is the integral of cosec x cot x dx? It is minus cosec x plus c. Integral of 1 by root of 1 minus x square dx is sin inverse x plus c, and 1 by 1 plus x square dx is tan inverse x plus c. Now find integral 4x square dx, that is 4 into integral x square dx, that is equal to 4 into x cube by 3 plus c. That is if integral c into f of x dx, a constant into function is equal to constant into integral of the function. Also integral of f of x plus g of x dx, that is sum of two functions, then that is equal to integral f of x dx plus integral g of x dx. If f of x minus g of x dx, it is minus g of x dx. But in the product it is different. That is integral f of x into g of x dx is equal to this is taken as the first function and this one as the second function. Okay. Then first into integral of the second minus, here dx also, minus integral of derivative of the first into integral of the second. That is the product rule. That is the product rule of integration. Now we do the simple problems. Integral cos of 5x plus 3 into dx. That is equal to, in this case, this function of a function. Here cos is a function and cos of next function is 5x plus 3. So first we integrate the cos x. What is the derivative? What is the integral of cos x? It is sin x. So integral of cos 5x plus 3 is sin 5x plus 3 divided by the derivative of this function divided by 5. Okay, plus 6. Integrate with respect to x, integral 2x square minus 4x plus 3 divided by root x. For integrating this, divide each term by root x. That is 2x square by root x minus 4x by root x plus 3 by root x dx. That is integral 2 into, what is x square by root x square minus half, x raised to 2 minus half, that is x raised to 4 minus 3, 3 by 2. So x raised to 3 by 2 minus x by root x, that is x raised to 1 minus 1 by 2, that is x raised to 1 by 2, or 4x raised to 1 by 2 plus 3x raised to minus 1 by 2 dx. That is equal to 2 times integral x raised to 3 by 2 dx minus 4 times integral x raised to half dx plus 3 into integral x raised to minus half dx. That is equal to 2 into, we know that integral x raised to n dx is equal to x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. So here also it is 3x raised to 3 by 2 plus 1 by 3 by 2 plus 1 minus 4 into x raised to half plus 1 by half plus 1 plus 3 into x raised to minus half plus 1 by minus half plus 1. So the answer is 4 by 5. Here 2 by 5 by 2. Okay, 2 by 5 by 2, that is 4 by 5. 2 by 5 by 2, that is 2 into 2 by 5. So it is 4 by 5. 4 by 5 x raised to, what is 3 by 2 plus 1? It is 5 by 2 minus 8 by 3. After calculation we get it is 8 by 3 x raised to 3 by 2 plus 6 into x raised to half, that is root x, plus constant c. Adding c in all the integration, final answer.